one video. Let me introduce you to the Selective Pallet RAC. Welcome to our Selective Pallet Racking System demonstration. Selective Pallet Racking is a versatile and efficient storage solution for warehouses. These heavy-duty racks provide high load capacity and adjustable beam levels. Designed for easy forklift access, they streamline material handling. Watch how the beams are securely assembled, ensuring maximum stability. This system adapts to different storage needs, from pallets to bulk items. With a durable steel-bolted structure, it guarantees long-lasting performance. Here, you can see how efficiently the racking system organizes warehouse space. Our uprights are strong and durable. It enhances safety and accessibility for warehouse operations. Look our beam details. Wow! Cross beams and uprights are easy to connect. More stable with safety locker. Upgrade your storage system today for greater efficiency. Thank you for watching. Like, share, and subscribe for more warehouse solutions.